Welcome on today's conversation on the future of work, where AI isn't just a buzzword, but a business driver. This is Lenovo Work Reborn, live in Orlando. Myriam, thank you so much for coming by the podcast booth today. We are so excited to have you. We are really interested in learning from many leaders about how AI is changing the landscape in the workspace. And I would love to hear a little bit more about who you are and what you do and, share why you're the perfect fit to share just that.
Okay, perfect. Thanks for having me, Rita. It's an honor. So I'm in charge of marketing at Anima, and Anima is automating front ends. We live and breathe the AI era. We've been doing design to code for 7 years now,
Wow.
but we can see a before and after. These past 2 years have been phenomenal in terms of capabilities
Yes.
and opened completely new horizons.
What's your favorite part about what you do as it relates to the AI and the innovation that goes behind it in your job every day?
So, as a marketer, I feel like I really need to like a product to be able to market it. And I really love what we're offering. And I know that the AI can be a bit scary, especially when we're talking about code gen, and developers can be very scared about being irrelevant, becoming irrelevant.
Right.
And I think we are taking away the most mundane and boring task from them and keeping keeping them focused on what's actually strategic and stimulating.
Yeah. What new roles do you think are going to enter the workforce as AI comes in and becomes a norm?
So we're already seeing that prompt engineers are needed in every field in a company. Like you can use the same AI tool, but based on how you're going to use it, you're going to have very different results.
Right.
For example, if I'm using Midjourney or if my designer is using Midjourney, the result has nothing to do with
Yeah,
one
they're
another.
completely different. Yeah.
So yes, I think it's opening new possibilities and it's very exciting.
Yeah, it is exciting. And I do think that if implemented properly, it can have a lot of benefits, even from the marketing side. Like, from a marketing standpoint, how has it helped your organization?
It helps in every aspect of marketing. I think it's been an assistant, it's been a partner to brainstorm, and it's creating new possibilities, things that I would have not thought of doing because of budget, time constraints, and AI is just making all these things possible.
Is there an example of something that you didn't think was possible if you hadn't had the AI that you now can do because of it?
So, absolutely. I think that having videos and translated with the audio in different languages is something that I want to do very soon, and that's something I would not have done without. And an example of something I did that I was very excited about, we had to create a template for a landing page, and it would have been just a landing page for a demo. But with AI, we said, okay, what about embedding a little video game inside of the page and turning it into a landing page for a video game? And that's making the page and the whole project so much more interesting
so
and
fun.
exciting.
Yes.
So yes,
You would have had to get like a developer or something for that to get the video
Exactly.
game. And how, because in marketing, like having the amount of, it's not just going to the page, but how much time you spend on the page as well.
Yes.
So that idea is great because you're getting people to stay engaged on the page for
Absolutely.
longer. Right.
Absolutely. And like this was a page for a demo. You can have a very simple thing and show how Anima translates a design into running code. But when this page becomes engaging, fun, and triggers your inner child,
Yes.
then it's a complete different
Well, I think
game.
that's the connection
Game.
though between how AI can be used for good, because it's not just about will we use AI, it's now how will we use AI to bring the human element and creativity back into it.
Yes, absolutely. I think that AI is enabling more creativity. Like I hear some concern, like no, everything's gonna look the same, or it's gonna replace humans. But I think that humans playing with the right tools and with the creativity that we put into any type of prompts, we can get crazy results.
Yes.
And it's basically the playground just became endless.
Right. And who doesn't love
Absolutely.
recess? And then,
Absolutely.
Right, right. So, in your opinion, what do you think the future of work really looks like? We call it work reborn. What does that mean to you?
So I think the reborn, this rebirth that we're experimenting with and experiencing now, it's about finding the right balance, finding our place as humans in this world where agentic AI is becoming very common. It's not a trend, it's not a phase, it's here to stay. And we need to figure our new place. And it's a transition.
Right.
And I think we're right there at this time, this transition with some painful moments.
Yeah.
But like any other industrial revolutions.
Right. Yeah, I mean, I think that's why work reborn is really great because birth is a growth. It's synonymous with growth as well. And when you grow, there's growing pains.
Absolutely.
But once you grow through it, then you go through it, and the possibilities are endless.
Yes. Yes, I feel like now using AI or not using AI is like,
That's not even
would I want to do my laundry by hand? Of course not.
Right.
That's basically what it is. We just need to embrace the technology and make sure we do it right. That's
Right.
for sure. But yes,
I
it's
mean-
definitely an interesting time to live in.
It is, and I would love an AI to do my laundry for me.
Yes.
That would
we
be
have
great. Can we have that, please?
Can we have an AI that matches socks?
Yeah, it matches socks. Oh my gosh. Do you know how many socks that I lose? That would be great. I will pay
That's what
money
I
for that.
want.
I think we're going to be investing in that. That's going to be our new
Please.
next one, right? Yeah.
I'm sure Lenovo can fix that problem.
Right. Well, it's been a pleasure, Myriam. Thank you so much for being on the show. If anyone is interested in learning more about our Work Reborn report, please download it. It's available in the link in the description below. Or if you're watching us on YouTube, the QR code here somewhere on the screen, please scan it. You will be able to receive a copy as well. And that's a wrap for our episode.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us live in Orlando for this amazing episode of Work Reborn. I've been your host, Rita Risha, and it's been a pleasure to bring you insightful conversations from around the world, especially at this event, on how we are bringing new life to the modern workplace. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to stay tuned on more ways that we are doing just that, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe our channel, and download a copy of the Work Reborn report today.
Lenovo.